little side road here. Another one of old Chainsawbob's favorite little roads. I don't get over here very often, but it's just a nice little quiet country lane down through here, and I enjoy riding it. So we'll go down through here and see if it's still as nice as I remember it. I enjoy riding through the woods like this. Pretty little country lanes down through here. Cut along. Enjoy life out in the woods. I love my woods. I like to be out riding there. These little winding country roads are just so special. Never thought I'd be riding at the age I am now. Just it never occurred to me that I don't think I'd ever thought that I'd live to be the age I am now. That's probably why I never thought about riding. But motorcycling is scootering, whatever you want to call it, riding around on two wheels like this is something that got in my blood when I was 11 years old, and it's still there. A few times when I thought I was going to be able to walk away from it or needed to, I couldn't stay away from it. It's so addicting, I guess. It just makes you feel so good. You can have an absolutely lousy day. You get on your motorcycle, motor scooter, probably even bicycle. You get out and go for a ride, and most of those troubles disappear. At least while you're riding, they disappear. And it's you and what a pretty sight you see down through there, and am I going to miss this bump over here? And it just takes your mind away from your troubles.